If you are not using Canva in 2024, I have no idea what you're doing. And you're probably pulling your hair out with stuff all over the place, wondering, is there an easy solution to all of this? Yes, the answer is Canva. And once again, Christmas has come early this year because Canva in Droptober has dropped an amazing, beautiful new features that are easy for you to use. And if you're not aware, there is a Canva free program, but I highly, highly, highly recommend go ahead. I think it's $13 a month and sign up for the pro subscription. You can use this for so many things. I literally use Canva every day with my graphic design, freelancing business, and I help so many of my clients create all of the flyers, brochures, t-shirts, you name it. I create all of this in Canva with a few clicks of a button. And now with all of their new AI tools, it has just become even faster and easier to work with Canva. So today we're going to hop in and show you the Christmas gifts that Santa has dropped off from Canva this year. So let's go ahead and hop in. Dun, 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 dun. Here is our Droptober. And I'm just going to click on this so we can see the latest launches. So you can generate your dreams using Dreamlab. These new 3D high quality renders are just absolutely insane. And this is actually coming from Leonardo. So this is just incredible. Magic Write is going to be your new best friend if you have issues with copywriting and something that you're just trying to describe a few products and listings. Magic Write is your best friend. These new brainstorming action plans in no time, making data less daunting with these interactive live charts. So now you can actually put up a chart, put in your information, and everything comes up live for you. They also have Disney. So now you can even add Disney into your design. They also have these visual docs, art lists to supercharge your storytelling by adding cinematic clips to your docs. And we've got our Translate, the Magic Media. So lots and lots to show you. Real quick, I'm just going to hop in here and show you Dreamlabs just to show you an idea of me making these epic intergalactic beings. I mean, the sky is the limit. I always try to give it something that I don't think it's going to be able to create, and it always creates it. So let's see. I'm going to come here. I want to do this, and I want to, because I want this to be a landscape. And I want to say, let's see if it does mermaids, because normally it has an issue with mermaids. So I'm going to put mermaids swimming in a beautiful, if I can learn how to spell, a beautiful um, pond that is surrounded by lush, glowing flowers. Let's just try that. See what happens. Usually it does not do mermaids good. So come on, Canva, give me a mermaid. Usually the tails are all wonky. And they fixed the mermaids. Oh my gosh, look at this. How beautiful. Oh man, this just made my day. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Thank you, Canva, for fixing this. Thank you, or I should say thank you, Leonardo. As you can see, so Canva has now gone from this to where their new Dreamlabs is now looking much prettier. So once again, we were in Dreamlabs creating all of these beautiful magical mermaids. Look at how gorgeous that is. So I'm just excited that mermaids now can have normal looking tails. You can tell this one still looks, oh, well, these look a little interesting, but yeah, like, what is this extra tail here? So I do have issues with mermaids. Other than that, let's do magical glowing crystal ball with which, since it's Halloween, which looking into the crystal ball. The background is a dark, starry, dark night with mystical glowing stars. Let's just throw this out there into the world and see what Canva comes up with. Um, and if you're joining me here today, oh wow, look at this. My name is Mermaid Emsley, and I am always showing you my two favorite things, crystals and Canva. And I am actually hosting live online Canva training. So if you want to know all about Canva, and instead of spending 6 years learning everything that I've had to learn, and you want to jump and quantum leap into your future and your visions, go ahead and sign up. I'll leave the links in the description below, but you're welcome to sign up for my upcoming course, which is coming on November 3rd. So if you're interested, please get enrolled, get signed up today so I can teach you all of the things you need to know in Canva. But yeah, look at this, guys. I mean, wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is just so stinking cool. Literally what I had in mind. I love this whole thing happening here. I mean, just love it. One more thing I want to show you guys is the magic, right? Yes, launch your new bio. Absolutely. So, all of these things, don't let that scare you. It's just showing you what you can do. Because I want to do magic right. No. Goodness. Now that I'm over here trying to show you guys something, it's not going to work. Magic right. There we go. That's what I was looking for. You want to make sure you're writing it in the magic right box for it to work. Duh. Generate. So look at this. Isn't this cute? So within seconds, you just saw this within seconds. It's like an instant chat GPT. Look at this. It's created ideas for holistic healing Halloween theme. Spooky serenity, a holistic Halloween experience. Witchy wellness, enchanting your mind and body. Haunted harmony, embracing balance and wellness. Ghoulish growth, a journey to holistic health. So, mystic mindfulness, love that. Spells for inner peace. How cute. I just love how within seconds, Canva shows you what you need, 10 little ideas, and you can even break that down and do so much more, providing descriptions and all of these wonderful things. So, let's just say I wanted to continue writing this magic right. Okay, great. Create a list and outline of what um, people attending this event can expect. Sound healing, candle light, intention ceremony. Let's see, massage therapy and treats. No tricks. All right. So I'm going to put examples. So hopefully they can, let's see if anything happens with this. So once again, it shows this wonderful long list of, now you have this wonderful thing that you can, put on your flyer of events and what to expect: opening ceremony, workshops and activities, aromatherapy workshops, herbal remedy session, guided meditation, yoga, breath workshop. I mean, it literally just listed this whole thing. I love that. Special treats. Throughout the event, indulge in healthy treats inspired by Halloween theme. No tricks, just wholesome delights. I mean, you guys, if you are not blown away of how fast and good this was just generated and created. So this is where people are always afraid of AI and like, oh, well, it's going to take my job and all this. Like, no, the only thing it's doing is taking time away for you because the time is money. And now instead of me spending my time or spending my money for someone else to do this job, and I have a straight up like business expert and assistant on my side with AI who can literally search the internet and give me things spot on. It's amazing. For example, let's do this. Let's put this to the test. All right, Canva, let's see. Because what we're going to do is use live interactions, right? So, can you create a list of the new Droptober features that Canva just launched and the exciting new um, things available for creation. Available. Okay, I'm just going to say that. Cool. Let's see the new Droptober list. Look at this. Awesome. Fabulous. Done. Right here. Insert. So look at this, guys. This is what all the Droptober features are: enhanced collaboration tools, AI powered design suggestions, interactive animations, expanded template library, customable 3D elements, advanced photo editing tools, video editing enhancements. I can't wait to check that out. Brand kit expansion. I also can't wait to check that out. Interactive presentation modes and mobile app improvements. Ta-da! And just like that, Magic Write has supported us with everything we need to know for the new Droptober updates and events in Canva. So for more videos like this, stay tuned. Please subscribe as I will be dropping myself a video every day if I can. I'm going to try to go on here live every day to share with you all the new features and updates that Canva is providing for us because seriously, if you are not using Canva in 2024, you are missing out on the greatest gold that has been given to us and the greatest gift of our century. I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for more videos. And once again, if you're interested in live hands-on training, please check my links down below and everything you need to know will be down there. And leave a comment. I would love to know if this video supported you and if there's anything else that I can add to make this experience better for you. Thank you so much. Till next video. Ciao.